Yeah, there you go.
What's with the digi legs? The digis are so big.
Goodbye.
That door's dangerous.
A whole ass feet pause.
Oh, there's ice.
What are you doing with his head? Jumping at?
If you have a complete set, if you drew it yourself, so value. What? Yeah, the Wi-Fi is pretty bad here. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Later.
So this is like some kind of Anthony Bourdain exploring the night markets of Cambodia, except now we're exploring the day markets of Midwest Furfest, trying to find an elusive belt for a size 29 twink. I don't know where the fursuit supplies tent is. You would think it'd be fucking huge and be visible, and we're at the end, okay. Oh, they have that mug thing, which is an awful deal. Don't do it. Why is that line so big? So expensive.
Come here, give me a hug.
I love you. How have you been?
I've been great.
Good con so far?
Yeah.
I didn't know you were dealing.
I'm gonna be here 3 days straight.
Sick. All right, I'll see you around.
Yeah.
When you're less busy. See some tails. Tails usually imply belts. No belts. I really love that. That one's a really good one. I want that above my mantle. You know what? There's no hyena agenda anymore. So there's no giant hyena agenda booth. Ears. I don't think we have a belt yet. Holy crap, this is huge, actually. Fursuit supplies, Arctic over here. We're looking for, Bungie needs a belt. No, this is exactly what he doesn't want. He has this. Do you have any belts that aren't stretchy?
We only have stretch.
Damn it! I'm literally looking for a not stretchy belt.
Not want a stretchy belt?
Bungie already has one, and he's like, he has like a new nub, and it just like drops, it sags. So he wants like a leather belt, like a basic ass leather belt. Listen, you're gonna have your giant one on, and I'm gonna fucking touch it.
You better.
You gotta touch your tail. Yeah, I'm gonna hold your tail. Yeah, hold me to holding your tail.
Promise?
Yeah, I never break a promise. All right, well that was a bust. Fuck, they were $10 too. Like that would have been perfect. A non-stretchy $10 belt. Why is there? Oh, what the fuck, Arctic? Well, attention all not car furries. What we're looking at here are cars. So they have headlights, wheels, a hood, no propane tanks. So that's just like a logistical nightmare to do this. But these are sick. Okay, I'll take it. I have no idea what these fucking cars are, but it's kind of cool and different. Because it's like a furry like brand that does Japanese JDM car imports. There's a $1,000 mystery box. He did also say he wanted a basic belt, and this is the exact opposite of a basic belt. It does have a thin buckle, which is what he wanted. Bungie's a very particular person. He knows exactly the type of belt he wants to wear. Well, I guess we keep exploring. So I am finding belts, like I am achieving my goals. Great idea. The harness makers will probably have a nylon belt. Whoa, this is so much bigger. I just appeared here. Now I can have original thoughts. Oh, wait, those belts? Actually, hold up. I think we might have won. Ah, those are leashes. So they have the puppy tails here, but what do you need to hold the puppy tail on? Belts. We're on the right track. These are belt-esque. I feel like we're close, but we're also very far. Will he accept a dildo plug harness as a belt? Probably not. The butt plug harness is as close as we got so far. That's so far the front runner. Crap. The fashion outlets would have belts. That was a lot of words that I said, and you weren't recording.
I'm sorry.
This whole vlog is just gonna be like stuff that like, oh man, the thing I just said 5 seconds ago is really good. You should have been hearing it. So I don't know how well these will work without like trying it first. And I don't know anybody who has one to try. We're either closer or further.
What?
What is this? Oh! See, you need a belt to hold this on. Where's the belt? We have holes for belts. So where's the belt? I need that. It's huge.
Times the size now.
Yeah, no, I love it. It should be. Because like every other con has like shitty, every other con, the adult theater said it's really just the Bad Dragon Room and like one other thing.
Yeah.
So they actually have like a lot of selections. I like how this fake leather feels.
Well, you just like attach both of these together.
Just
get 2 of them.
I bought you $500 worth of collars that we're gonna just like hook together. There's so many dildo makers now, which is like, is this just like the new form of pottery? Like, you just hit the pottery wheel with your silicone mold and you just form it into a dildo and like, aha, this is my new dildo vase. Yeah, no belts. We were so close. We were actually like so close. That's the most infuriating part. Like we're just touching the realms of possibilities, but we're not succeeding and that sucks. Guess I gotta take the L on the belt now. That actually doesn't conclude our belt hunting adventure. Still need to hunt for a belt. That concludes this story of the belt hunting adventure at the Bad Dragon booth, as all good stories end.
5 minutes later.
And you gotta find someone whose belt you can steal. You gotta be like, hey buddy, or you can use duct tape. Those are the 2 options
No,
you've
that
come
was
up
a sucky option that does
with.
not
Yeah, but
exist.
you loop the duct tape over, loop it through the belt. You got yourself a duct tape belt. Or yeah, like I was saying, you're in Chicago, so just get a belt.
You can't do that because you're leaving here.
You could just order it on Uber or something.
What the fuck you on about? They don't just deliver belts, they deliver people.
It exists. You can get DoorDash or whatever to take you something from a store.
For a belt.
Yeah, you could probably ask for a belt from Walmart.
And an Uber driver would drop off a belt. So
Yeah,
you
actually.
fuck right off the that route.
Yeah, no, it is. You're in America now. You British bastard.
Can you Uber a belt?
Ooh, wait
No,
a
I
minute.
don't know the answer to this. And it's
You
not
could.
Yeah, exactly.
You could DoorDash anything. Yeah, welcome to America. We don't want to leave. We have a car-centric infrastructure. Everyone has a car, but we don't really want to use them. So
Yeah, I know.
we just make other people use their cars. Yeah. So that's just the American way.
I mean, that's the least fun way. I still think you should suck
the
someone's.
fun way, which is come around here and
You
find
should
one.
suck someone's dick for a belt.
What?
Just snatch it and run. Like, just take it and run.
You
A
Uber
belt.
a belt?
What kind of belt?
Just any belt.
Like
Is that a thing?
one for your pants?
Yeah, you just say, shit, I need a belt and Uber's going to bring me it. Is that a thing?
What is this?
Probably not.
No, okay, thank you. All right, so there's 3 ways to get a belt. You need to find a top with a fat ass, or a duct tape, or Uber.
I feel like this is a sitcom.
It's no.
You could probably same day Amazon something.
No, fuck Amazon. How to do it at FurCon right now.
If you find a Taco Bell that's like directly next to like a Joann Fabrics or like a Target or something, you might be able to pick. Yeah, it's like a local fabric place.
These are the conversations of our lives.
Craft materials.
How often do you need to
It's
go
like
pick
Michael's,
up?
but less homophobic.
What the fuck's Michael's?
Homophobic Joann. He doesn't know.
Do you just go and pick up handfuls of silk?
It's homophobic Joann's.
I know exactly what you're saying too. Like Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby's the one that's obsessed with Christmas.
And they stole like ancient artifacts from like Syria and had to return them.
They stole ancient Syrian artifacts. Hobby Lobby.
How the fuck is this conversation? No, but I can't. I don't know. Like, London's done that in their museums.
Is this any of this normal?
Yeah, no, like this is the annual Hobby Lobby stolen artifact conversation at MFF. Like every year.
Belts.
Yeah, every year.
Belts. That's how we. Like,
I want a sleigh
but
belt
there was a
harness
dude,
so fucking bad.
there was a dude
Joanne
here
Fabrics. Joanne Fabrics.
who had a belt, but he didn't need a belt.
And no stolen artifacts.
They don't have any.
You won't find it at Michael's though. Too homophobic.
No,
yeah.
too homophobic. Hobby Lobby.
I don't think stealing's a
They
hard
like
crime.
Christmas, so
They
they'll
like,
have belts.
yeah, they might have a jingle bell harness.
You could try Uber Eats a belt.
I don't want to know because that's the easy option, and it's also not a fucking option. It's not real.
How the fuck is this conversation still fucking going? Holy shit.
It's like you when you want dick, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't end.
No.
Yeah,
it doesn't.
until we get
never
what we
ends.
want. All we want is a belt, but all you want is a dick. But
Yeah.
constantly, I
Yeah.
don't want a belt constantly. I just need it once.
You want a dick constantly though.
No, I don't want a dick constantly.
Me too.
I mean, I do, but not as bad as you. Wait, we've got a belt. Holy shit.
What do you want?
You don't even need it because your
Yeah,
ass will hold it up.
No, it has my tail.
Well, this ass holds
tail
that
belt.
up. Oh. Yeah. Can you not put the tail up your ass?
No, what the fuck? It's not a fucking butt plug, you fucking moron.
Anything can be.
Yeah, anything can be.
Anything can be.
I'll have you know that I do my exercises regularly, so I have some strength.
Pistol
I have
squat,
some
pistol
grip
squat, pistol
strength.
squat.
So you don't need your
Pistol
belt.
squat.
What? Look, take it off. Just hold it pinched between the cheeks.
I'm not gonna let my pride
That is
blind
actually a way
me
to
to the
keep it in
scheme
check,
to
isn't
rob
it?
me of my belt.
5 minutes later.
What did Wedgie say?
He said surprise me. So, since he's a little slutty bottom, I'm just gonna get into the Vor one. Because I think the design is just an objectively better design. Arctic, what do you think? The Vor one?
What's the other option?
The paw one.
I'm not gonna say no. I want you guys to make a
I like the paw one. Paw one looks cooler.
You like the paw one?
Yeah, I don't know. Does he like Moss or Paws more?
Sticking with my original choice. Can I do one of the mob belts?
For sure. What size?
Size 29-inch waist. I didn't know they came in different sizes. I got the cum lube, logo facing out, and I got the belt, logo also facing out. This concludes our Arctic Kevon Dealer's Den MFF 2023 adventure. Hooray!
If anyone shows me a backflip, I will pay for any item in F-Class, not above 50 though.
Hey, it's After Dark deal at MFF, doing free backflips to get free prizes at this dealer den. Be sure to come on down to MFF Dealer's Den and have as much fun as you like.
Later that night.
Why is there an ambulance here? Huh? Why is there an ambulance here?
I don't know. Did you order one?
I did not order an ambulance.
Me neither. I don't need one.
I would be a bad journalist. That's why I'm behind the journalist. Or in front. That is our Uber. Bye-bye. We picked the wrong address. We arrived in like a parking lot, a dealership parking lot, and now we're at the Giorgio's Pizza, Chicago.
We're lost, our friends are gone, and we're alone.
Yes.
We're deserted in Chicago, and somebody sent help. The help is the pizza.
1 hour later.
Oh wait, you should get a video of the slice being pulled away.
And I'm preparing to burn myself really badly.
Oh my gosh.
Do it, full send. I'll do like a 3/4 send, because I kind of want to
Oh my god.
still taste food.
Can I really get that cheese on?
It's very... Jesus Christ.
Oh, good job.
That's...
Did you catch that?
No.
That would have been epic. I was aiming it at someone else.
It's really, really good.
Are we back? What do you mean you're not back?
We're not back. Because we have another 30-minute drive to go back.
Don't lift it so high, Basil. It's gonna splash.
Oh no.
That's the most cursed way. that? How you say the Chicago pizza? No. Diesel, that's like sacrilegious.
So the pizza was nice. I would give it like a 8.5 out of 10. The crust was amazing. The sauce was saucy.
It was okay.
No, it was good. It was good. No, I'm not agreeing with this. It was really good. Chicago? You have to say that.
Your heart out. Yeah.
And the pizza was good. 8 out of 10. But not worth the wait. Final answer. Yeah, I guess like 45 is the upper bound on. Coco, get your facts straight.
I can't. It's time to go back to the con.
Later that night. .28 a.m.
Hey guys, we have 2 more soups. Who wants soup? Yeah. Wait, you want this one?